All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're diving deep into Hyderabad's red-hot real estate scene. We're not just looking at a market, we're looking at a single massive development to break down a specific resale deal that presents a really fascinating choice for any potential buyer or investor. First, just look at this number, 3,664. Let that sink in for a second. That's not the population of a small town. That's the number of homes in just one project, Aparna Zenon. The scale we're talking about here is just massive. And that huge number immediately brings up the most important question, right? When you have thousands of choices, how do you even begin to find the one that's not just a good home, but the best investment? That's exactly the puzzle we're going to piece together today. So to understand the opportunity, you first have to understand the project itself. Aparna Zenon isn't just a collection of apartment buildings. It's really meant to be a blueprint for what modern living in Hyderabad is becoming. So, what are we looking at? Well, think of it like a city within a city. We're talking over 30 acres of land, 14 towers soaring up to 33 floors high. And the location? It's right there in Papalaguda, basically next door to the financial district and slapped right up against the outer ring road. You couldn't be more plugged into the economic heart of the city. And check this out, the centerpiece of this whole community is a clubhouse that's over 86,000 square feet. I mean, that's not just an amenity, it's the social engine for thousands of people, packed with everything from pools to theaters. This is one of those huge project-level perks you're buying into. Now, this chart tells you pretty much everything you need to know about the philosophy here. Despite all those towers, a staggering 80% of the entire property is dedicated to open green space. This is a huge deal. It means you get that high-rise lifestyle without sacrificing a real connection to nature, which is a massive selling point for quality of life. Okay, but we're not just flipping through the developer's brochure today. We're here because a very specific and time-sensitive opportunity has popped up from inside this project. We're talking about a resale deal that really needs a closer look. And this is the exact wording from the listing itself. When you see phrases like urgent resale, your ears should perk up. It signals a motivated seller. And for a buyer who can move fast, that can often mean a better deal with less competition. So this is where we get to the core of it. The opportunity isn't just one unit, it's two. One in J Tower and one in H Tower. So let's put them side by side and figure out where the real value is hiding. Okay, let's break down the numbers. In J Tower, you've got a cozier 1,560 square feet, but it's way up on the 27th floor. Then you have H Tower, which is much bigger at 1,982 square feet, but it's down on the 6th floor. Now, they're both west-facing corner units, which is great, but look at that price gap. It's almost 60 lakhs. That forces a really tough question. Are you paying for the breathtaking view, or are you paying for the extra space? And you can really see that trade-off right here. The H Tower unit gives you over 400 extra square feet to live in. That's a whole lot of space, but it comes at that higher price. J Tower is your more budget-friendly option, but it's more compact. So you have to ask yourself, is that extra space really worth the premium? But, just looking at price versus size really misses a huge part of the story. You have to look past the spreadsheets at the things that actually affect your daily life. And that starts with the fact that both of these are premium corner units. So, for anyone who's not familiar, a corner unit is basically prime real estate in any high-rise. Why? Because you get windows on two sides of your apartment. That means way more natural light flooding in, and you get amazing cross-ventilation. This isn't just a nice little feature. It fundamentally changes how your home feels. More open, more airy, more alive. And that brings us to the other huge lifestyle choice here. Life on the 27th floor in J Tower, you get those jaw-dropping panoramic city views. It's quieter, more private. You're literally above it all. On the other hand, the 6th floor in H Tower keeps you connected. You're just a quick ride down to all that green space, the clubhouse, the community buzz. Your choice here really defines your day-to-day experience. So, with all these variables floating around, how in the world do you actually make a decision? Well, let's put all this info into a simple, practical framework to help you analyze this opportunity like a seasoned pro. Here are the 4 key questions you need to answer. 1. What is your lifestyle priority? Is it the epic view from up high, or is it being able to pop down to the amenities in a minute? 2. Be real about how much space you need. Is 1,560 square feet enough for your family, or is that bigger layout a must-have? 3. Do the simple math. Calculate the price per square foot for both. And finally, number 4, put on your investor hat. In a market like Hyderabad, what's likely to give you a better return on investment down the road? the high floor view or the extra square footage. And you cannot forget this last crucial detail. Those prices we saw are all inclusive. That means your GST, 2 full years of maintenance fees, and the handover charges, they're all baked right in. That kind of transparency is huge. It means no surprise costs later, which makes your financial planning way, way easier. When you boil it all down, this whole decision really comes down to this one question. What do you define as true luxury? Is it found in the private space that you own or in the vibrant community that you join? It's a fascinating choice, and honestly, it's a question that really defines what modern city living is all about.